limit extends to 0 plus e power root x, e power root of tan x minus e power root x upon root of tan x minus root x. Let us take common e power root x. So we can write e power root of tan x divided by e power root x minus 1 whole divided by root of tan x minus root of x, which is equal to limit extends to 0 plus e power root x into e power root of tan x minus root x minus 1 divided by root of tan x minus root x. Now since we require the right hand limit, let us substitute in place of x, like f of x is equal to f of 0 plus h. So we can just change limit h tends to 0 e to the power of root of, in place of x we had write 0 plus h into e to the power of root of tan of 0 plus h minus root of 0 plus h minus 1 divided by root of tan of 0 plus h minus root of 0 plus h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 e power root h into e power root h tan root h e power root tan h minus root h divided by root of tan h minus root h. And we know the concept, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. And here also when h tends to 0, when h tends to 0, so tan h will become 0 and root h is 0. So we can say, sorry, here it is 1, it's a minus 1. So here it is e power 0, this whole term will become 0 and the denominator also the same, which is 0. So in that case, e power x minus 1 upon x value is 1. So we can write the limit here, limit h tends to 0 e power root h into limit h tends to 0 e power root of tan h minus root h minus 1 divided by root of tan h minus root h, which is equal to, as h tends to 0, so we can say here e to the power of 0 into 1, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is the final answer, which is option A.